Welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. Today, we're going to be talking about Canva and can we use the graphics on our print-on-demand products. I have been seeing so many videos and posts in Facebook groups about Canva and what they actually allow us to do with their graphics. It's scaring people. They're wondering if they're going to get their shops and stores and products taken down, suspended, deleted, blocked, all of that and more. So I'm going to give you my perspective, my thoughts on this topic. And a big shout out to Ryan Hogue and Kim from Your Chic Geek, and also Coco Twins, who actually has some graphics. Coco Twins has graphics on Canva, and she did a video about this subject. So you should look her up on Facebook, and I think she also has a YouTube channel. But Kim at Your Chic Geek and Ryan Hogue did some videos, and that's what got my wheels turning on this subject. So let's get into it. I'm on Canva's content license agreement, and I will post the link to this in the description box so you all can take a read at the whole thing. But I'm just going to focus on one specific part, and that is the prohibited usage. So I'm going to go down to prohibited, and like Ryan Hogue said on number 5, this is basically what we need to read. And number 5 says, prohibited use or display the content on a standalone basis on websites or other venues designed to induce or involving the sale, license, or other distribution of on-demand products, including postcards, mugs, t-shirts, posters, and other items. Basically that means that you're not allowed to use or display the content by itself on websites or other platforms that are intended to sell on-demand products. You can't use this stuff in a way that lets others purchase it or license it by itself. You have to, like I've been telling you all, use the different graphics together, layer them, and create a whole new graphic from several graphics. Like if you have a bear and you want to put shades on the bear, and then you want to put a cloud behind the bear, put some text over it. Just layer these graphics, put them together. That's what I take from it. Now, I could be totally wrong, but that's what I've been hearing. Don't use the graphics alone. I think they use the term flatten it. That simply means by putting other graphics with it. But reading this stuff can be confusing. I understand why everybody else is in a uproar, and I have debated with myself, should I take some of my stuff down? Because I've done what I'm supposed to do, but I still question from time to time, can I actually use this stuff? So I'm still waiting, weighing out options, and most likely I will delete a few because I do have big questions in my head. Is this permitted? So I'm going to show you an alternative to using this, using Canva's graphics, because I like things to run smoothly, and with all this uproar, all this chitter chatter back and forth, it's kind of making it hard for us to understand, or they won't just come out and give us a concrete yes you can or no you can't. We have all of these words, and if you're not a lawyer or someone who can read this and recognize everything the way that you're supposed to, it could be a headache. So I'm just gonna show you what I have started to do to make it easier. And once again, Creative Spark to the rescue. Like I've been telling you all, AI is the new wave, and AI is making it possible for us to do a lot. So I'm going to go to CF Spark, and that is on Creative Fabrica. Now I do pay for the CF Spark subscription. And I'm going to go down to CF Spark Crystalline. And it says create clean and simple cut files, perfect for creating clip art and elements that are used for designing or die cutting. So this simply is going to help us create some PNG files, transparent, no background. And I quite like this software. See here, I created a cute baby unicorn with rainbow hair. That's the only prompt that I gave it. And it created these cute little babies. No background. When I download it, there's not going to be a background. But these are adorable. This one here is my favorite. But I'm just going to show you all. What can I do? Let's see. Hip hop teddy bears are popular all the time. So I'm going to say hip. Hold on. Okay. Hip hop teddy bear wearing hip hop outfit, wearing sunglasses and sneakers. Should I add anything else? I'm gonna what color? Blue. Blue theme. And I'm going to click Ignite. Now here you have several different modes. You have the 2D version 1, 2D version 2. You also have 3D version 1 and 2. And there's another 2 versions, but I'm going to click Ignite and see what it gives us. It doesn't take long because, like I said, I pay for the subscription. Now, if you don't pay for it, I think you can still use it, but it puts your stuff in queue and you have to wait a while for your images to pop up. But I don't know all the specifics of usage on this. So, like I said, once again, I do pay for CF Spark. And it's going to give me quite a few to choose from. Hopefully it'll be something we can use for like putting on a notebook or putting it on our merch stuff. Or if we want to just take it to Etsy and sell the files as is, that is also allowed. But once again, go to the licensing section of these websites and read and make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to do with these files, because these people do not play about their creations. But okay, here we go. We have our hip hop teddy bear. I don't see sneakers anywhere. Do you all see sneakers? No, but still, these are cute. These are really cute. This is excellent quality. I'm gonna go up to the different modes, and I'm gonna let's go to 3D and see what it gives us. But like I said, when you download these images, they will be transparent, no background, and you can use them as you see fit on Canva when you're creating something. So if you're leery of using Canva's graphics, just come over to CF Spark and create your own graphics and use them how you see fit. Because this is getting ridiculous. I wish they would just come out with a video or a press release or something giving us the meat and potatoes. Tell us yes, no. Stop giving us all this extra runaround. Make it clear. I don't want to say it like this, but I'm going to say it like this. Dumb it down for us, please. Dumb it down for us, please. But this is the 3D version. These are cute. I don't know which one I would use. I would like the outfits to be a little better. If I had to go based on outfits, this one would be my choice. But they're all adorable. Now I'm going to go to 3D version 2 and see what that gives us. But, yeah, it's not hard at all. It doesn't take much when it comes to the prompts for CF Spark, especially this PNG creator. You don't have to put a lot of thought into it. But then again, if you want to put a lot of thought into it, I'm pretty sure you could come up with some crazy stuff. But this is 3D version 2. I don't think I would use these on my books or anything. I could see laying them on a t-shirt potentially or possibly. I'm really not liking this version, but yeah, I'm gonna let's see. I'll go up here and type black woman wearing crown, braids, beautiful, melanin queen. Let's see, side profile. Let's see what I can get from that. I'm gonna go back to the 2D version 1 and click ignite and see what I get from that. Okay, okay. Now these I like. I could see myself using this one for sure. Probably that one. And that one as well. You could create images for your storybooks if you're into writing. Like I said, use these on your covers of your low content books. Put them on the pages of your low content books. On your merch by Amazon stuff, or if you want to sell, you could put these in a bundle of 8 and sell them and let someone else purchase them and use them. The possibilities are kind of endless with CF Spark and what they give you. So I'm gonna end it here, but like I said, I'm gonna put a link to Canva's licensing agreement in the description below. I hope you all got some value from this video. Please like, comment down below what your thoughts are about this whole Canva, can we, can't we issue. And until next time, be blessed.